The famous composers Frank Kavai Kabwoka and Hewitt. One of the things that I love is how he retells so many stories of our ancient Hawaiian culture. You know, the story of La'i Kavai is a folklore almost, as we talk about the beauty of La'i Kavai appearing on the wings of the birds, carrying her to her loved one, to her betrothed. And when you hear that, it's almost unimaginable, and yet it is a story that lives in our hearts and lives with our people. And as we tell those stories, they become more real and more true. And so this is a beautiful song that talks about the importance of love, patience, understanding, and knowing what is right for you. And of course, when to find it and how to see it when it comes. This is the beauty of Kapilina.
You get me some water?
Thank you so much, girls. Thank you.